It's winter time. Might be a little rough for a motorcycle ride, but I think we're gonna try. What should we take? Well, that certainly narrows down the options, doesn't it? Let's take this bad boy. Oh, you bitch. Look at that. Woo! Yeah! Let's go this way with it. My snowblower's getting stuck. We're getting into the rough stuff here. Woo, let's see what she does. We're getting some blowback. The wind's changing on us. Let's go downwind with it. We'll just cover my piece of shit truck in snow. Yeah, now we got a rhythm going. This thing runs pretty smooth once she's warmed up. I'll start doing reviews of snowblowers and shit. Stay tuned for next week. I'll review a fucking weed whacker. It'll be great. Yeah. Whew. It's fucking cold. You know what? Let's do this. Yeah, fuck my brother's truck. Yeah, we'll cover that piece of shit. That's right. Fuck that guy. What's he ever done for me? Why isn't his ass out here doing this? Why do I gotta do it while wearing my fucking helmet? Reverse gear. If anybody's watching this, works in the snowmower industry, reverse gear. You get on that. Well, it might not be a moto vlog, but it might be the first snowblower vlog. Oh, let's try that again. It might not be a moto vlog, but first snowblower vlog maybe? I don't know. This is it's not very exciting. It's definitely slower than the FZ09. I'll say that much. Just try doing a little hill climb here. Front end keeps coming up on me. It's a good problem to have. Makes it fun. Should we run it into the bush? See how the snowblower does as a hedge trimmer? No, we won't tear up the bush. All right. We got some snow on us. Well, there you have it. That's a, I don't know what the fuck that is. But it blows snow like a motherfucker. See you when the weather's better.